In this video, we are going to discuss about Ethernet channel. So what is Ethernet channel and what is its importance in STP? As we know that STP essentially works by blocking redundant links and between switches or segments. You may wonder why these redundant links needs to be blocked here. So here we will be discussing about Ethernet channel, how we can use Ethernet channel to overcome this. So you see, to overcome this limitation of STP, Ethernet channel is used to link or bundle up 8 links into a single logical link. That means the redundant links will be bundled up, the 8 links will be bundled up into a single redundant link here. So after the links are bundled, STP only sees that single logical link and does not able to block anything in it. So that you see, if you have any blockages in those 8 links, that when you combine or bundle up as a single logical link, STP will only see about the single logical link and does not block anything with respect to that. So Ethernet channel protocols on the other hand provide methods to eliminate loops here. So within the physical link while load balancing and also while traffic across them. So by load balancing the traffic across them, so that this Ethernet channel protocols will help to eliminate loops forming here. So you see that Ethernet channel protocols also keep track of the status of each and every switch, and you see a physical link also. In one of the physical links goes down or comes back, the STP will not be informed, or without knowing to STP it will again take the charge there. So if you see how to configure this one, in switch 1 configuration mode, in the interface fast Ethernet 0/11. So coming into the interface mode, channel group 1 mode on. So we are enabling the channel group mode here and creating a port channel interface, port channel 1. So coming to the switch 1 interface, for the other interface which is /12, we are again enabling channel group 1 mode on. The same way, if you go to switch 2 fast Ethernet /11, channel group 1 mode on is also enabled, and in the same way fast Ethernet 12 in the switch 2 is enabled with channel group mode 1. So if you see here, it's very clear that interfaces /11 and 12 on switch 1 and switch 2 are combined into a Ethernet channel. So we have made changes of grouping the channel group of 11 and 12 Ethernet or fast Ethernet interfaces for the switch 1 and switch 2, and we are making it as a combined into a single Ethernet channel here. So now switch 1 and switch 2 are connected via single logical link or a single channel group here, consisting of 2 physical interfaces which are 11 and 12. So channel groups logically interfaces are presented as PO with a group number. So we have introduced about the channel group 1, so it will become PO1 here. So you see how to see that interface trunk here, how to see that trunk or bundle of links or logical link here. We use the command show interface trunk, so that it shows the port which is PO1 and mode is desirable, encapsulation is in .1Q, and status in the form of trunking on the VLAN, which is native VLAN is 1. By this output you can see that the show interface trunk, how it is configured here. So coming to the effect of Ethernet channel on STP, you can see this output here, show spanning VLAN 10 here. So you see the interface is PO1, the interface is like 2 interfaces are combined into a single Ethernet channel. So it will give you as a channel group number as PO1 and designated role here, and also has a forwarding status, cost is 12 and given a priority number as 182.65 and type is P2P here. So notice that this physical interface would have shown up only a single logic interface is seen as PO1 here. So you see one link has gone down, that is FA11 has gone down. So what it happens here? We will now shut down the down port on 0/11 on switch 2 and see the effect on the Ethernet channel and STP here. So you see, entering into the interface mode, interface fast Ethernet 0/11, and we shut down, then you get a warning message here clearly stating interface fast Ethernet 011 is administratively down. So when you enter the command show spanning tree V10, so spanning tree enabled protocol IEEE, and it gives PO1 designated, forwarded, cost, and also the priority number here. So that means you see this, that clearly the status of physical interface in Ethernet channel does not change because it has an alternative trunking and does not have effect on STP or trunking here. This is true as long as you see the physical interface remains active, and also in the Ethernet channel, if all the physical interfaces go down, then it will show an effect, because here the physical interfaces, you see here that clearly the physical interface in the Ethernet channel does not affect the STP, but all the physical interfaces are gone down, then it will show some effect on STP and trunking also here. So we have only shut down the fast Ethernet 11 on switch 2, but you see the bundle, as we also discussed, that it does not bother about the inside blocking or inside shutdown of any of the interface, because the fast Ethernet 12 is already running in the switch 1 and switch 2, but switch 2 we have disabled fast Ethernet 12. Because of that, it will not affect any STP or Ethernet channel here, because the status of physical interface in the Ethernet channel does not have any effect until the alternative is running. But here, when all the physical interfaces are gone down, then there will be a problem and also effect on STP and trunking here. So this is about the Ethernet channel.